welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. Today is December 2nd. This is very exciting. I've got 2 days in a row now. Nothing can stop me. Just kidding, a lot can stop me. I'm gonna be very busy, so I'm happy to be keeping up with this, and it is called Vlogmas, so there's gonna be a bunch of vlogs, but there's also gonna be some sit-down videos because they're more fun to edit, I think. They're just more organized for me, and they're easier for me to get more of them out. If I'm able to just sit down, say what I want to say, boom, post it. So I want to get as many up for you guys as possible so that you can get into the holiday spirit, but it's also for me to help myself get into the holiday spirit. So I'll be doing some videos like this, some gift guides, some maybe outfits, lookbooks if you will, maybe some baking videos. We'll see. It's exciting. But I just wanted to get into this list, so I made a list of 15 things that you can get for someone who loves Disney, or for you to put on your own wish list this holiday season, because you deserve the things too. And I put these on a range of not very expensive to kind of expensive, designer-ish stuff. Let's get into it. It's in no particular order of importance. It's just whatever you think someone will like based on their other personality traits besides just liking Disney, because that is a major personality trait these days. The first thing on the list is a thing that really got so popular this quarantine, and that is a sticker shop on Etsy. And I am definitely one of the people who started a sticker shop during quarantine, and it has grown into my little business, and I'm sure you guys have seen that if you've been following this channel for a while, and that's very exciting. But I just want to say the cheapest option that you can have, and you can give someone for either a stocking stuffer or just because that's all you can spend this holiday season, that is fine. Stickers are so affordable. They're so unique and cute and fun to just decorate your things with. So there are a multitude of Disney-inspired sticker shops on Etsy and Redbubble as well. But Etsy takes less of the profits than Redbubble does, so I recommend supporting artists on Etsy instead. But you know, support artists everywhere. My sticker shop slash other shop is Upon a Star Supply Co., but there's also so many amazing other ones. All you have to do is search Disney stickers. You're gonna find all my friends. I'll just name a few: Golden Girl Crafts, Bibbidi Bobbidi Bronte, My Kind Supply, Crafts by Tessa, Designing the Magic. Everyone that I mentioned and everyone that I forgot, you're awesome if you're watching this. There's just so many, and I love following other people who do similar things as me, and I hope you find something that you love. I don't think you'll have a hard time at all. I know that I do a lot of customized stickers, and that's such a nice personal touch. Like I do a Carl and Ellie mailbox sticker, but you could put your own names as a couple, or you can do your own paver, your own Disney name tag, a bus going to whatever park or resort that you want. It's really exciting, and I truly love the personalized touch, and it makes you show that you put a little bit more thought into something than just getting someone, you know, anything. You customized it. So that's just a suggestion. Next up, one of my favorite things that I also discovered during quarantine this year was Disney subscription boxes. And these are usually not in partnership with Disney at all. They're small businesses in themselves, and two that I've tried on this channel are Walt Life and Bibbidi Boxes. And you guys, they're both so good. Walt Life is definitely more affordable, but Bibbidi Box is a lot more luxurious, and for the fancier Disney fan and that's just a really good present. Either of them are really good presents because you can set someone up with multiple months of a subscription, or you can just give them one box as a gift. So it's up to you what you want to choose for pricing. If you want to see what I got in my subscription boxes, I have those 2 videos. Maybe there's like 4 videos. I think I did 3 Walt Life boxes and 1 Bibbidi box. So if you want to look at those, check them out. They're so fun to open because you have no idea what you're going to get. I love the idea of mystery things. The next thing that I think is pretty expensive, but definitely a nicer thing to get during the holidays, is a LOUNGEFLY backpack or a Danielle Nicole handbag. And both of these companies make such beautiful Disney-inspired bags and backpacks. And I have one right here. This is LOUNGEFLY. I actually don't have any Danielle Nicole handbags, but this is so cute. I got this actually in my Bibbidi box. So that's a possibility when you order a Bibbidi box, or you can just get someone a specific LOUNGEFLY if they're afraid they're not gonna like the mystery one. But they both have such beautifully themed and unique bags that are subtle, but they add a little touch of Disney in your style, and I think that's so much fun. Next up, we have Disney-inspired clothes / shoes lines. So Disney has taken over almost every clothing company at least one time in the past. If you go to the mall and go to a random store, I guarantee you'll find some Disney stuff because they always do partnerships with different stores and brands and whatever. One of my favorite partnerships is Uniqlo. Also, Rue 21 is really good. None of this is sponsored. I wish it was, but I'm just giving you my suggestions. And I think that they're really unique and trendy pieces, but they have that hint of Disney in them. There's some shoes. I can't even think of what shoes brand, but I'll put the pictures on the screen and I'll tell you guys about them. But I've seen so many pictures of different brands coming out with Disney lines of things. It really attracts Disney fans to that company if they had never bought from them before. So it's very smart of them to do that. Yeah, so that's something really great to get somebody who loves Disney and wants to keep them in their style. Also, a lot of small shops do this as well. So keep a lookout on Etsy for different Disney t-shirts and apparel and things like that. Something classic that I think is so much fun, and a lot of people already have this if they're a Disney fan, but maybe they still don't and they've always wanted one, and that is a Mickey waffle maker, because one of the best things in the park, or not in the parks, one of the best things when you go to Disney in the resorts are the Mickey waffles or the Stitch waffles in Ohana, and I just think there's nothing like a Mickey waffle. Even if it's a different batter, just the shape of it makes it taste a little bit more like you're in Disney, and it's just a little treat. Now, this little curl in my hair keeps annoying me, so I'm just gonna put my hair up. We're just gonna do that. While I start to talk about the next thing, this is also from small shops. All these little things are so unique that only people with little small businesses can think of them. And one of these things is Disney scented candles. There are so many shops that do this, and they all do them well. One of them that I actually got for Christmas a couple of years ago is the Magic Candle Company. And I have a Polynesian scent. It's like the Polynesian resort. It's so good. Oh my gosh, it's so good. And then Pirate Life, which is, it smells like the water in the Pirates of the Caribbean ride. Oh my god, it smells just like it. And there's so many more. Let's see. Something that I got in my Bibbidi box as well is this candle, and it is Laughing Place, so it smells like Splash Mountain, I guess. And it actually had a pin inside of it. So that's like a 2-in-1. So you can get a candle, but it also comes with a pin. I'm not sure if they always do this, but check out Wishes Candle Co. and Magic Candle Company because they have great scents and so many other different ones of smells in the parks and stuff, and it's so cool. Something else, if you know that someone is going on a Disney trip soon or they hope to in the future, you could get them an autograph book, and they make them very classic styles, but they also have really, really beautiful creative styles, like a VHS type of book. Like the cover looks like a VHS, and all different kinds of things with movie covers on them, posters, whatever. And it's so fun, and it's just a nice little touch. Even if they want to use it as like a journal or something, I think those are really fun as autograph books or as a personal journal / diary thing. So yay, fun. If this person or you has more of a techie side and you're lucky enough to have AirPods or an Apple Watch, there's two things that you can customize right there to make them a little bit more Disney. So for an Apple Watch, they actually have different bands with cute patterns on it that kind of look like a magic band or, you know, Disney designs, and that's a really fun way to customize your Apple Watch. And then another thing with AirPods is you can get AirPod cases of your favorite characters. For example, I have a Stitch AirPod case. I actually got this in my stocking last Christmas, and I just think it's so much fun, and I always know which ones are mine, and it's just so cute. I love it so much. Then for the makeup lover, there are makeup lines that do partnerships with Disney as well. As you may have guessed, one of the very popular ones is ColourPop, and they have all different lines of lip glosses and palettes and all these kinds of things that are Disney themed, and it makes it so much more fun to do your makeup if it has like themed names based on your favorite movie or something like that. So definitely that is something to get for someone who loves to do their makeup or is starting out on makeup. if you're younger, and it's really fun to have something familiar like Disney to help it be easier and a little bit more fun. Another company that has come out with a Disney collab multiple times is Love Your Melon, and they have Love Your Melon hats, beanies with 2 pom-poms, so they look like Mickey ears, and that's really cute. They just released a new one. I'm pretty sure I saw a bunch of posts on Instagram of that, and Love Your Melon is a really great brand, and I think who doesn't need a beanie in the winter unless you live in Florida? I'm sure they wear them too. I've seen people who live in Florida, and they did promoted posts for Love Your Melon, and they had beanies on in like 80-degree weather, so get a beanie for anybody because they're really cute and it looks like you're wearing ears. And speaking of ears, another thing that a lot of small shops sell, and also Shop Disney sells, are ears, mini ears, Mickey ears, whatever you want to call them, any character ears. And a lot of the small shops make ears that you can't find anywhere else. So I was always looking for a pair of Moana ears, and it was hard to find them exactly how I wanted them, and I actually got them from a small shop, Nola's Disney Designs. I'm Once Upon an Ear Co, I think it's called now, but I love them so much. They were handmade with love and care, and they're so cute. Like, you could find any movie, character, whatever you want in ear form on Etsy, I swear. Everybody has thought of something, and you will find something really unique and special for what you love. Another classic gift of things that you can either find at Disney or maybe at Starbucks even is a Disney mug. And I don't know if you could find the Starbucks ones anywhere outside of the parks, but maybe you could find that online. A Disney mug is also one of the most unique things that just make your morning coffee or tea so much more fun. And I love looking at the new mugs every time I go to Disney. They have so many characters, so many, the list goes on and on. I could keep elaborating about all the different kinds that they have, but it just makes it so much more fun to drink your drink if it's your favorite character or a quote that you love. I don't know. You can really spice up your life if you love Disney. Like, people who don't love Disney are missing out on all of the opportunities of joy, because you could bring it into, I could just talk about it all day. Anyway, next. And along with the mugs are tumblers, and a lot of people make custom tumblers with vinyl on Etsy and places like that. So you could really get a great customized tumbler for your iced coffee or just to drink more water. This thing helps me so much. I got it in Disney at Hollywood Studios Starbucks. Another thing that is really simple that a lot of people could use is a new phone case. And I have had the same phone case on my phone for a long time, so I'm hoping for a Disney phone case for Christmas or something. And I really would love one of the unique ones that I could find on an Etsy shop. My favorite company for Disney phone cases is Pixie Cases, and they have such unique designs. They're beautiful. You could just tell that they're special, and you can't find them anywhere else. The Muggle Mouse is also a really great phone case company, and they have a lot of Christmas designs out right now, so I'm not sure how often they sell things. I know sometimes their shops close to deal with high demand and stuff, and I totally get that. So keep an eye out on the Muggle Mouse and Pixie Cases for a phone case that is Disney style. We're getting to the end here, guys. Something very special, I think, if your whole family likes Disney, is a Disney game. And there's a bunch of Disney-inspired games. I talked about one of them in my Target video with Tony because he got me a Disney color brain game, and you have to remember all the colors of things in Disney movies, and it's so much harder than I thought it would be, but it was really fun, and I got crushed all of them, just saying. But they have that, they have Cards Against Disney, they have What Do You Meme Disney version, they have Disney Scene It. Does that still exist? Because that was my favorite game of all time, Disney Scene It, where you put in the video and you answered all the questions and you had to do like a video play and all play. Did you guys ever play Disney Scene It? I need that in my life. Do people even still have DVD players that work? I don't know. I mean, we do, but I don't know if they make it for like 2020 version. I hope they do. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to look into that. Anyway, the final thing that I suggest for people to get if they love Disney is a Disney Squishmallow. I have a Stitch Squishmallow. His ears are ridiculously long, but they have a lot of different characters in Squishmallow form, and I sleep with this guy under my arm every single night, or just like next to me, and it's the most comforting thing in the world. And it's even better because it's Stitch and it's not just like a random animal. It's my guy. Can you tell that Stitch is my favorite character in Moana? I don't know if you can. Just kidding, you totally can. That is a lot of things, and in those categories you can really break it down even more. So my biggest advice to you is to shop small. I know there's all these copyright things, but you're really supporting people who have passions and are working so hard, because I understand, because I am one of them. And when people buy things from Shop Disney, of course I understand, like, you want the real deal, you want the best quality stuff, but small shops have really amazing quality too, and you gotta give them some love this holiday season because we're working real hard. So thank you for always supporting small shops. I always recommend going there before you go on Amazon or something like that. So Vlogmas Day 2, guys. I hope you pick something great for the people you love or put some good things on your list. Yay! Happy Vlogmas, and make sure you get those orders in soon because time's a ticking and shipping might take a long time. So be prepared, order early, and get those lists going. See you tomorrow? I don't know. Bye.